In today's quick guide video, let's talk about how to follow artists inside of Pandora. Welcome back everyone to How Genic. On Pandora, following artists is done by adding their stations or their content inside of your My Collection section. By doing this, it will ensure that the content is inside of the My Collection section, as well as it will also help the Pandora's algorithm to refine your listening experience. So the way that you do it is just search up the artist that you're trying to follow, and you're going to see their profiles visible right here. You can just head over and open up their profiles. Now, as you normally see inside of other streaming platforms, you do not have the option called follow or subscribe. Instead, you have the option called start station. As soon as you click on the start station option, the station will start to play and the songs will start to play of the particular artist that you selected. Now, once that is done, the station will now be added inside of My Collection. If you head over to the My Collection section, as you can see, the radio that you have started will be now visible inside of the My Collection or your library section inside of Pandora. This is the only way that you can kind of follow artists so that their content or their albums or their songs are added inside of the My Collection section. So that's basically it on the way that you follow artists inside of Pandora. If this video did help you out, be sure to subscribe and also give this video a thumbs up.